Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate reports in Zendesk. When it comes to managing your customer support operations, understanding your Zendesk data is absolutely essential. It plays a crucial role in measuring performance and fine-tuning your workflow to meet customer needs efficiently. So, in this video, we are going to delve into the step-by-step process of generating reports in Zendesk, ensuring you can harness the full potential of your data. To get started, the first thing you need to do is access the reporting dashboard. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Once you've signed in, you should look for the reporting or analytics icon, which is conveniently located in the sidebar of the interface. Give it a click, and you'll be greeted with a variety of tabs that you can explore. These tabs include options like Overview, Leaderboards, and Search. If you're on a Plus or Enterprise plan, you'll also have access to Advanced Analytics. Each of these sections provides a unique perspective or type of data that can be incredibly useful for different aspects of your support operations. Now, let's take a closer look at how you can make the most of the built-in reports. Zendesk provides quick access to several key metrics that are vital for monitoring your support activities. You'll find metrics such as new versus solved tickets, backlog, first reply time, agent touches, and CSAT scores. To view these, simply click on the reporting icon once more. This will allow you to select a date range, which can either be from a preset selection or a custom range that spans up to 3 months. Once you've chosen your date range, click on any key metric that interests you. You even have the option to compare it with another metric. By hovering over the graphs, you'll receive daily breakdowns, offering a more granular view of your data. If you're looking for more tailored reports, Zendesk also allows you to build custom reports through tools like Analytics or Explore. To begin this process, click on New Report or New Query. You'll then need to choose a dataset, such as support tickets, around which you can build your queries. Next, add the relevant metrics for your report. This could include things like the number of tickets created or the first reply time. You can further refine your data by adding attributes such as Assignee or status. Applying filters can help you focus on data from a specific time frame, like the last 30 days. Choose your preferred visualization style, whether that's a bar graph, line chart, pie chart, or table. Once you're satisfied with your report, remember to click Save, so you can easily access it in the future. For those using professional or enterprise plans, there are advanced features and custom metrics available to dive even deeper into your data analysis. You can access result metric calculations, which allow you to combine or compute different metrics. For instance, you might calculate something like the average time multiplied by ticket count. Additionally, the advanced metric editor will enable even more customization of metrics and attributes, giving you fine-grained control over your data insights. Moving on, the next step is dashboarding and scheduling. You can combine your saved reports into comprehensive dashboards that offer a unified view of your data. Enhance your dashboards with filters and different layout options to suit your needs. Take it one step further by scheduling their delivery via email, deciding whether you want them sent daily, weekly, or on another cadence that fits your workflow. Finally, if you need to export your reports for external analysis or sharing, Zendesk allows you to export them as either CSV or PDF directly from the Analytics section. This feature is perfect for archiving or sharing insights with your team. For more advanced analyses, consider extracting raw data via the Zendesk API. This data can then be visualized using robust business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker Studio, providing you with even deeper insights. And there you have it. Whether you choose to stick with built-in reports or dive into custom analytics, Zendesk offers a robust suite of tools to generate the insights you need for effective decision-making. Happy analyzing! That's it for this tutorial on how to generate reports in Zendesk. If you found it useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more helpful videos.